Hey everybody, welcome to this week's edition of What's New with magicplan. This week I'm going to be discussing COVID-19 and how magicplan is helping businesses and public entities respond. So everybody is aware, COVID-19 is affecting everybody worldwide, and whether you're a school, a hospital, or a private business, you need to inform your employees, your customers, and government officials how you are going to respond to COVID-19 and social distancing and hygiene measures that are in place. So we have implemented a new category of objects in our application. So go under the objects menu and find COVID-19 response. Here you'll see a lot of examples of social distancing rules, or wear a mask, or wear gloves. Here in our Munich office, we have implemented these as well. So for an example, I'll show you one of our offices. On our doors, we have the desks all laid out within the office, and we have circles of social distance for everybody to sit and work. So here's a couple of my colleagues hard at work following those guidelines. If you want more information regarding this, you can check out our blog posts, or you can go to our help center where you'll find lots of information about this and other hot topics with magicplan. Have a great day.